It's no secret that a healthy diet should incorporate plenty of fresh fruit and vegetables. Be honest though, do you get enough in your daily diet? If not, one very easy method of increasing your consumption is to invest in the best blender for smoothies. Blitzing all those fruits and veggies up into a sweet and tantalizingly tasty drink is also a fantastic way of encouraging your kids to eat a more nutritious diet even if they're resistant to eating vegetables with their dinner. The best blenders for smoothies come with aggressive stainless steel blades powered by a motor and capable of making very light work of even hard and challenging ingredients.
Hi! If you are new here, welcome. You are watching Compact Reviews. We aim to update on the latest and best everything that has to do with cooking and the kitchen. We test them out in real life so you know what they're like even before buying them. For someone who loves cooking, nothing could be better than Compact Reviews.
In this video, we will discuss the top 5 best Smoothie Maker Blenders. So let's get started. Number 5. Breville Countertop Blender. Breville has a deep bench of reliable and versatile kitchen appliances, so how does the Fresh and Furious stand out in a sea of similar blenders? To start with, you get the confidence of dealing with a world-famous brand known for delivering performance on a reasonable budget. This alone is reason enough for many committed Breville fans to remain loyal. Any blender stands or falls on the strength of its blades. This model uses surgical-grade stainless steel, ideal for slicing through challenging and hard fruits and veggies. Even though you have all this power on tap, the blender runs fairly quietly. You must obviously expect some noise when you're pulverizing demanding ingredients, but this unit runs quieter than most. Number 4. Blendtec Classic Kitchen Blender. Blendtec makes some no-nonsense kitchen appliances that are competitively priced, while still offering exceptional performance and lifespan. This classic blender continues that winning tradition. You should note that this is a compact blender with a pretty minimal 36-ounce capacity. If you're looking to make a single large batch for all the family, you might come up short. For singles, couples, and small families though, this unit is a home run. If you dislike the usual black and gray kitchen appliances come in, you can choose this blender in an array of striking colorways. You can also opt for several configurations, so browse to see which bundle best suits. There are 4 presets baked in, so using this blender is as simple as throwing in your ingredients and pushing a button. You have literally no prep time to factor in either. Just pour in all your unchopped produce, and let the blender's robust blades do all the hard work for you. Number 3. Vitamix E310 Pro-Grade Blender. Vitamix makes some hard-hitting blenders occupying the midpoint of pricing for residential models. You get heavy-duty construction, precision engineering, and ease of use without needing to take out a bank loan. How does the E310 stack up, then? The Triton build ensures you have food-grade materials throughout. This allows you to focus on the health benefits of your smoothies, not potential contaminants. You enjoy full speed control with 10 settings, letting you dial the pace of the blades up or down depending on the nature of your ingredients. This flexibility also makes it easy for you to fine-tune the texture of your processed ingredients. The 48-ounce container gives you ample latitude to cater for a small family. If you lots of hungry mouths crying out for smoothies though, we'd advise checking out some of the larger models on our shortlist. Number 2. Magic Bullet Blender. Our suggestion if you're looking for a budget blender for smoothies is this 11-piece set from Magic Bullet. What comes included, and is it worth the money? Well, firstly, this blender is one of the cheapest you can find that won't let you down completely in terms of performance and lifespan. Clearly, you can't expect a blender this cheap to cope with relentless heavy use in a commercial setting. If you're looking to whip up some smoothies for the whole family a few times a week though, you're in safe hands. A range of functions lets you make much more than just smoothies. Process your fruits and vegetables depending on the recipe with imagination, your only limitation. A flip-top lid lets you drink your delicious smoothie on the way to work or the gym without needing a separate travel mug. Cleaning this blender couldn't be easier with soap and hot water, and it's also dishwasher safe, leaving you no concerns about messy cleanup. Number 1. Vitamix Pro Series Blender. As you'll soon find out when you're comparing the best blenders for smoothies, when you move from residential appliances to those rated for commercial use, these things aren't cheap. What do you get for your considerable investment then? To avoid repetition, spending more on a blender will give you an appliance that will last for years of sustained and heavy use. You'll burn out a cheap home blender if you attempt this sort of usage. The Vitamix Pro feels strong and solid despite the plastic build. Capacity is generous at 64 ounces, so you should easily blend up smoothies for a small family without needing to make a second batch. You won't need to chop any of your ingredients, and the powerful blades made from precision stainless steel will blitz them into the perfect consistency for your favorite smoothie. The infinite speed dial gives you complete control over the process. That was our list of the top 5 best smoothie maker blenders just for you.